This is Mike with the Practice Planner Live team. We're going to give you a brief overview of how the Practice Teams feature works. And we're going to do that by going over and clicking on the Practice Teams tab. The Practice Teams feature allows you to create 2-player, 3-player, 4-player teams according to the drills that you select. You can take your team and divide it up, and for a drill that requires 3 players, a 3-on-3 drill, you can easily create 3-player teams for that specific drill. And there are 2 ways to do it. The first way is through the actual practice planner. As you're creating a practice plan, you can build a set of teams as you're entering drills. And then the second way is by going to this Practice Teams feature and building your sets of teams beforehand, before you build a practice plan. Then it's just simply linking those teams to the drill that you select. But we're going to show you how to build practice teams through the planner first. And we do that by going to a practice plan. So this is a practice plan that's already been created. So we're going to go into the edit mode. And we're going to go down and choose a drill. In this case, we're going to choose a drill called 4-on-4 blockout. So this drill is going to require that we divide our team into player groups of 4. And to show you how to do that, we simply click on the Practice Teams icon, and then you're going to be taken to this split page. And on the right-hand side is actually where you're going to work to build that set of teams. So we're going to start by selecting 4 players per team. And I know I have 12 players on my team, so we're going to build 3 teams. And we're going to hit go. And now here are all my players, and it's easy to enter your players' information. Just click on the Create New Player button. Then I'm going to name this team. And again, this is for 4-on-4 blockout, so that's the name of the set of teams I'm going to assign it to. And then we're going to say each team are going to wear different colored jerseys for the drill. So we're going to put in those colors now, and those will be the names of those teams. And then from there, it's just drag and drop, and you can build your teams according to however you choose, balancing the teams as you know your players' strengths, making the teams even, or your first group, what have you. Now you'll notice there's a place for a substitute in case you have an odd number of players. If you had 13 players, you'd have 1 sub somewhere. Okay, then we are going to save that team. And then that team will show up over here under existing set of teams. Now, here's the new team I created. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to hit save and close. And now you'll see that team has been assigned to that particular drill. And again, organize 3 teams of 4 for that 4-on-4 drill that we've put in our practice plan. Now let's talk about the second way of building practice team sets. And that's by going to the Practice Teams tab and creating new set of teams. And it works the same way. We can choose 4 players, 3 teams, and go through the same process. It saves it in the existing drill or the existing team list. And then you already have those built. And now as you go in to create a practice plan, you will just click on that icon and then choose from an existing set of teams to link that set of practice teams to that particular drill.